So, Chief, do you mind if I record working on your car? Appreciate it. Honestly, I think that's good right there. This is the O2 sensor right here. So yeah, I'm gonna start by changing this, and then I'll do the oil change, and then probably the brakes after. Yes, sir.
What up, guys? I kind of sped this video up, but this is the car here. It's the 2015 Audi A4 with the 2.0 engine, and she's pretty nice, guys. Anyways, I'm here to do a few things on this car. And the last appointment I diagnosed this car since it had a check engine light, and the code was relating to a downstream oxygen sensor. So that's what I'm changing here. And I'm changing it out because when I looked through the live data on my scanner, this downstream O2 sensor had real low voltage. So right here, I'm just loosening it up with my O2 sensor socket tool. And I don't know why I don't have a set of this yet. I keep renting the O2 sensor socket set from AutoZone instead of buying my own. But anyway, I got it loose. I unplugged it and pulled it out. Just inspecting it. Now I'm here grabbing the new one. Just sizing them both up. Just comparing and contrasting. Making sure the connectors are identical. This one comes with the anti-seize. That's what I like. And I didn't want to risk an aftermarket O2 sensor, especially on an Audi or any European car. So I just tightened her up by hand first. Now I'm coming in with that socket that I just used. And I'm kind of just speeding along here. I'm just tightening the sensor back up. Yada yada. There's that connector. Clip that baby right back. So now I'm gonna do the oil change. So I'm jacking up the car. Sliding my overkill jack stands under. The 6-ton jack stands. Here goes the other side. Slide it right on. And it's pretty straightforward here, guys. Popping that oil cap off. Getting down and dirty. I think it was a T45 socket. But don't quote me on that. Now I'm just draining the oil. I'll leave the sizes of the sockets and the oil capacity in the video below.
Let's drain it out for a little bit.
Yep, she's pretty dirty.
The oil filter.
So now we're back up top. Removing this oil filter.
1, 2.
I'll try to take it off right there without making a mess. Gotta pre-lube the new one now. We don't want to spin it on raw dog it. We want to lube it up before we spin it back on. Now just slap a new washer on the drain plug, unless it's still in good condition. In my case, it still was. But I'll try to leave the capacity of the oil and the size of the drain bolt and the torque spec of the drain bolt in the video below, like I said. But anyways, I just filled her up with new oil. I cleared the check engine code, started her back up, and the customer said that code has never came back, and it's been a few months. So with all that being said, thanks for watching, guys.